Hello there, my dear friend. This is US Life 101, and today I will be your chef, showing you how to cook a delicious Chinese dish, egg fried rice. It is a cheap and simple cuisine that you'll surely want to give a try. Let's start. To prepare egg fried rice, of course we'll need rice and eggs. Let's begin by cooking the rice. To get the best results, I suggest using medium or long grain rice. For today, I'll be using this type of rice. Pour 3 cups of rice into the rice cooker's inner pot and add water to the appropriate level. If needed, you can rinse the rice to remove any dirt. Allow the rice to cook, and your trusty rice cooker will do the rest of the job. Once the rice is done, don't use it right away. For fried rice, you need dry rice, but freshly cooked rice is usually wet and sticky. Using it directly will result in clumpy fried rice that doesn't taste good. What you should do instead is to stir the rice a bit, let the steam escape, and then store the rice in the fridge. Wait until it's completely cool, preferably overnight. This step is vital for the success of your fried rice. While waiting for the rice to cool down, let's prepare the vegetables. Adding vegetables to the dish not only makes it more nutritious but also adds color. This time, we'll use green peas, corn kernels, and carrots. You can adjust the vegetables according to your taste, such as adding other ingredients like cabbage, bok choy, ham, onions, and more to your fried rice. This time we only need to focus on the carrots because the other ingredients are already chopped. First, peel the carrots. Cut them into long strips. And then chop them into cubes. Push the cat away. And this is the mixed vegetables we will be using. If you're like me or even more laid back, you can find pre-chopped assorted vegetable mixes at the grocery store, or skip the vegetables completely. Aside from these ingredients, let's also prepare the green onions. They add a unique flavor to the dish and make the rice taste and smell better. Before we turn on the gas stove, let's check the seasonings that we will be using. We will need soy sauce, canola oil, and rice cooking wine. These are essential condiments for making Chinese dishes. Now, let's fast forward to when the rice is completely cooled off and dried. Then we can start cooking. First, we need to scramble the eggs. Turn on the gas stove and wipe the wok dry. Add oil to the wok and swirl it to distribute the oil evenly, making it less likely for the eggs to stick to the wok. Pour the egg mixture into the wok. Stir until the eggs are almost solidified. And set aside. No need to wash the wok, let's reuse the remaining oil. Also, add some additional oil, and let's work on the rice. Although we are using canola oil for both the eggs and rice this time, I recommend using pork lard in this dish, as it provides a much better aroma and taste. Surprisingly, pork lard has less trans fat than canola oil. If you are interested, I can make a video to teach you how to make cheap pork lard at home, and you can use it for many of your stir-fried dishes. Once the canola oil is hot enough and starts to smoke, add the vegetables, and then dried rice. Stir fry for a while. Then add the scrambled eggs we made earlier. Add a splash of cooking wine and a reasonable amount of soy sauce. Cooking wine can remove the unpleasant smell from ingredients and enhance the aroma, while soy sauce adds saltiness and umami flavor to the fried rice. If you want your rice to look whiter, you can use salt instead of soy sauce. Depending on the amount of rice and your own appetite, you can adjust the amount of soy sauce or salt you use. You can also add a tiny bit of sugar or umami seasoning to enhance the flavor of your dish. Let's stir fry a bit more, making sure all the rice has been evenly coated with soy sauce. And the cooking is completed. Now, let's take it out of the wok and see how it looks. Wow, it looks delicious, doesn't it? Sprinkle the chopped green onions, and the dish is ready. Assuming you have already cooled off your white rice, it should take less than 10 minutes to make this dish. And here's a summary of the steps for making fried rice. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this series, please give us a like, comment, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more detailed cooking recipes and guides. I hope you found today's video valuable, and I'll see you next time.